Here's a quick tip for those of you with older vehicles. While I was working on my air inlet tube project, I realized that my PCV line going into this volant coming off the driver's side was disconnected, and I was not throwing a code. I should have been throwing a lean condition. That's a huge vacuum leak. If I get down here, you can barely see that I put a hose clamp on there to keep that on from now on. Got it on both ends now. So this is definitely sealed. I'm going to be interested to see what my trims are, my fuel trims, with that connected. But what I do, instead of throwing all these old clamps out, I keep a selection of these, and I always find a use for them on older vehicles. When you have old hoses, you don't necessarily need to replace the hose. You can put a hose clamp, for example, on this inlet here. I also put a hose clamp on the vehicle instead of replacing this hose, just to make sure that this connection was tight, to get rid of all potential vacuum sources that would pop a lean condition code.